The Galaxy Unpacked event that takes place in the second half of the year is a pretty exciting one because at that event, Samsung launches the new Galaxy Note series flagships. But if you missed it, Samsung won't launch any Galaxy Note series device this year. Now this does not mean that Samsung is completely doing away with the Note series. This is because many reports have suggested that Samsung is bringing the Galaxy Note series back in 2022 because apparently the Galaxy S21 Ultra has failed to meet the expectation of the Samsung's Note series user base. Now that no Galaxy Note flagships are launching this year, Samsung is going to launch its new foldable phones at the Unpacked event, which might be happening sometime in August. At the moment, we already know that these new foldable phones are the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3. In this video, let us talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 because today we got to see all the color options of this phone as the official images of it were shared by 91 Mobiles. One of the biggest highlights of the Z Fold 3 is going to be its under-display selfie camera. So the foldable screen on the inside has a selfie camera placed under the display, so there is no cutout for it. But as we can see in the images, the selfie camera is not completely invisible. The rest of the design is mostly the same except for the rear camera module, which gets a slight redesign. The outer display has a hole punch just like the previous generation, and it is most probably the exact same screen as on the Z Fold 2, which means a 6.23-inch Super Amoled display. But still, one thing that we would like to see is a high refresh rate outer screen because as we know, the last year's Z Fold 2 had a 60Hz display on the outside and a 120Hz display on the inside. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes in at least 3 colors: black, green and silver. It is expected to come with the Exynos 2100 or the newly launched Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. Moreover, the Z Fold 3 is also coming with the S Pen support, just like the S21 Ultra. So Samsung was not joking when it said that the Galaxy Note experience will be applied to more devices. Well, that's all about this video, so do let me know what you think of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.